I'm Kiersten Dolbec Silver. I'm a model and a comedian and a mom of 2. My kids often work with me, which means I do hair and makeup and going through all the styling, so we're getting ready all together as a family. I order a lot of ride shares and I get anxiety. Any car situation, I'm thinking 30 minutes ahead of like how stressful this is gonna be. And when I saw the PIPA Urbn latch in, I was blown away. I was looking for the seatbelt having to come across, trying to like maneuver it all over the place. None of that. It was just ready to go. And then unclipping it was even easier and more magical because it was such a smooth process. To see how easy that was makes me excited to take my kids places. I wish everything that I owned was as well designed as this PIPA Urbn. I love it.